Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First, to take a screenshot we need to assign the hotkey for it. So, let's press and hold the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, select the system option and then press the start button. Now let's scroll through the system menu, find the option called hotkeys, select it and then press the start button to enter. And here we have the list of hotkeys, as you can see. And now I basically select the one you want to use to take a screenshot. For example, we can select start button and down button together. And once you select the hotkey, press start button to enter, scroll through the list of functions and find the screenshot function. Like this. Once you select it, press start button and now we can take a screenshot by pressing the hotkeys we assigned the screenshot function to. So we selected start and down button. Now we can go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open, I don't know, maybe alarm clock menu. Here we have it. And to take a screenshot, press the hotkeys you assigned the screenshot to. So basically press and hold the buttons like this. As you can see, it will say screenshot taken and means that the screenshot was taken and it was saved on your watch. To access these screenshots on your watch, you will need to plug it in into a computer with the cable. And once you plug it in, you can open the watches folder and there you will have the screenshot folder and you can access the screenshots there. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.